Ready to snag those irresistible Temu deals, but need to update your payment info? We got you covered. Let's dive into how to quickly and easily add a card to your Temu account for a seamless shopping experience. First things first, fire up that Temu app on your phone or tablet, then look down at the very bottom of your screen. You'll see a row of icons. Tap on the one that says you. It's usually the last icon on the right. This is your personal Temu hub. Great, you're in the You section. Now, scroll down this page just a little bit. You're looking for an option called Payment Methods. It might be listed under Settings or Account Settings depending on your Temu version. Go ahead and tap Payment Methods. Alright, you've arrived at the Payment Methods page. If you already have cards saved, you'll see them listed here. To add a new card, look for a button that says something like Add a Credit Card or Add Payment Method. It's usually a plus sign icon or a clear call to action. Tap that button. Time to enter your card details. You'll be prompted to fill in all the necessary information: your card number, the expiration date, and the CVV code, which is that 3 or 4-digit security code on the back of your card. Double check everything to make sure it's accurate. This step is super important. Next up, you might be asked to enter your billing address. This is the address associated with your credit or debit card. Fill in all the required fields, including your name, address, city, state, zip code, and phone number. Again, double check everything for accuracy. Once you're done, look for a Save or Submit button and tap it. And that's it. You should now see your newly added card listed on the Payment Methods page. Temu might also send you a verification email or text to confirm the addition. Now you're all set to shop till you drop with your updated payment method. Enjoy your Temu treasures.